Today we are discussing on the topic is recursion in Java. So let's discuss on the what is the recursion. So the process in which a function calls itself directly or indirectly is called recursion, and the corresponding function is called recursive function using recursive algorithm. Certain problems can be solved quite easily. For example, if such problems are towers of Hanoi, so introducer, producer, order, trees, transversal, DFS of graphs, etc. What is the base condition of recursive solution? In the recursive program, the solution of the base case provides and the solution of the bigger problem is expressed in terms of similar problems. So in the above example, base case for n is less than or equal to 1 is defined and larger value of the number can be solved by converting to similar one till base case reached. How particular problem is solved using recursion. The idea to represent problem in terms of one or more similar problems and add one or more base condition that stop the recursion. For example, we compute factorization in if we knows factorial of n minus 1. The base case of the factorial would be n equal to 0. We return 1 when n equal to 0 by stack overflow errors occurs in recursion. What the base of the case is not reached or not defined, then the stack overflow problem may arise. Let us example understand this. So in fact of 10 is called it will call fact 9, fact 8, fact 7 and so on. But the number will never reach 100. So we will base case is not reached. It is memory is executed by these functions on the stack. It will cause a stack overflow error. What is the difference between different direct and indirect recursion? A function fun is called directly recursive if call the same function fun and function is called indirect recursion. If calls another function, say function new, and function new calls function directly or indirectly. Difference between direct and the indirect recursion has been. So what is the difference between failed and a non-failed recursion, non-tail or tail recursion? So a recursive function is tail recursive when the recursive calls the last thing exactly by function. So tail.